Are you struggling to manage your salon and spa business, especially managing appointments? Why not try our free easy-to-use application? This application requires Microsoft Office installed on your computer. It is easy to use, and the best part, it is free with no hidden issues. Download the application and try it out. Click on the link below to download. Contact me if you experience any problems or need additional functionality. Thank you very much. I'll begin by opening the Salon application. Click on Salon and Spa. Sometime it will have this window open. You can always minimize this window because if you delete any of these tables, the application will be affected. Nice that you can add a new client, edit client, you can book clients, edit bookings, see the bookings, manage payments, manage supplies, have a look at the reports. You can change the settings. If I click change settings, I can change this to Northern Beach. Salon and Spa. I can change the address maybe to A, B, C depending on your address. I can also change the logo. You right click and then click on manage attachments. Then you remove that logo and add your own logo. Look up for the logo. I'm going to add this logo and click OK. So when I close this window, I will have changed the settings of my salon. As you can see, it is reading Northern Beach Salon and Spa. And then your logo will appear here. Your address will appear here. You can always add new staff. So you go to staff settings. Assuming you got a new employee, just click here and they say first name. Maybe Jose. Han. The harness. Telephone number. This is a new employee. It's the telephone number, the email of this employee. The process. Maybe h@gmail.com. Address, you indicate the address. It's USA. Put USA or full address. I have added employee. So if you want to go back and edit or add more employees, you click on this. It takes you to back to this table. You can add and edit, delete, change address, telephone number, whatever you want to change. So when a new client comes in, you just click add client. Assuming this client is called Jennifer. Jennifer Lois. Telephone number. Just assume any number. Put the right number, of course, for your for your customers. Then you put the email here, Jennifer dot maybe Lois at gmail.com. This way you'll be able to send mails to your clients, especially reminder mails. Then you click here. Then by clicking there, it creates a new form for another client, but you'll have saved the previous client names of Jennifer. Close here. And then if you want to edit, assuming you wanted to make some edits to the clients you've already entered into the system, you click on edit, look up for the client Jennifer Lois. Assuming there was a mistake, maybe if this is single in, you can change. Assuming the email was not right, you can change. Then that's it, and you close. So this is how you add a new client and how to edit a new client. Assuming Jennifer wanted to make a booking for the services at your Northern Beach Salon and Spa, just go to book clients, and I just look up for Jennifer in my list of clients. Pick Jennifer. It will create a booking ID 86. The booking date is automatically entered, the 24th of Jan 2021, and then maybe Jennifer wants to come in at 10. Then you allocate the hairdresser. You remember we added hairdresser process harness, and then a service requested by Jennifer. This is probably she's interested in coloring and styling, and the price for that, we have set the price for that 40, rather 30, and then 30. But of course, if the price is more than that, you are free to enter the right amount, maybe $50. And then comments, if none, you say none. This is captured and you just close. So if you want to check on that booking, you go to edit booking. Remember it was booking number 86. Click here. Maybe if you want to edit the set price, maybe it was 40, and this one maybe you want it to be 40, amount invoiced 40, and yeah, that's how you edit the booking. So when you click on this button, you'll be able to see all the bookings made, including the booking made for Jennifer Lois at 10 a.m. You can always close here and close this window. Again, this button takes you back to the bookings. So when a booking is complete, assuming that you've completed working on this customer, and this is Jane, just say job completed and then close. So when you go back to the bookings, Jane will not appear as part of the customers that you have to give service to. As part of the customers you have to look after. This one shows the time when your customers or your clients booked the different services. Those here. And so in case you want now to manage payments, remember Jennifer had booking with us and it was number 86. You just look it up. Amount paid is 40 and date paid, click and find the right date. Date paid the 24th, and we close. Having done that, you'll have cleared the bill for Jennifer. You can as well manage supplies. Click on manage supplies. These are things like shampoo. You can add a new item. For example, if your coding is maybe 0020 for that item, these are combs, big size. You can put the minimum level. Minimum means you don't want to go below the number of combs in the stock. Can be 20. Maybe 20 is a big number. 5, and the maximum you should have is 30. The unit cost of these combs maybe $3. Then click here. I will have registered that item, so I can edit that item. Click here, look up for the combs. So you can see I made a mistake. Shouldn't be combs. I can change it to combs. Big size. Maybe they were not big size, small. So I'm making edits here. So yeah, I've edited that. You close. So this is how you set up the supplies. But now if you receive the combs, this is actually receiving. Click here. I look up for the item combs, and this information is automatically captured, assuming that you have received, say, maybe 25, and the staff who has received, probably they are going straight to the store. The unit required, you leave this empty because we are receiving, we are not even issuing. So here I put 0. So this one will enable you to know that you received 25 combs. Then once you are done, you close. So if you want to issue that one of your staff has requested for 2 combs, you just come here, look for the combs, click combs, tap the space bar, then you are going to capture the number of combs that you are going to issue, and this 3 you are issuing to. You have to put a reference number. Staff who has received, this is the process, and yeah, you can leave the units required. You could have required maybe 5, but you issued 3. You close that. Then you can be able to edit the information. Assuming there's a problem with the information, come here, look for the combs. You can see there's a small error here. You can put it back to 0, and you have the information now organized. Then close. You can use these buttons to navigate through different items in the store. Close. You can now view balance in stock. Remember, we received 25 combs. We issued 3. You can be able to see that you received 25 combs, issued 3, balance is 22, and we don't want to reach minimum level 5. So when it gets close to 5, we'll order more combs. Close. Can view supplies for reordering. This is a scenario whereby you have the balance is below the minimum level. You can see 29 is below 40, so you have to order 11 more shampoos. Close this. You have more reports here, and go ahead and explore these reports. If you want reports for a certain period, pick from, pick a date, then to pick a date. But if you want staff list, these are our staff members we have in the salon. Yeah, these are the list of clients we have in our database with their emails. These are the payments so far received, but you have to pick a date, maybe from 1st January 2021 to 31st. We want to see. So payments. See, we received payment from client 86. You can see we received payment from a client who's booking 86. And also see the booking report. This is the booking report. The details are clear. You can see the items you received here. You remember the combs, the small combs. You can see the supplies you've given out in terms of items you gave out to your staff. You gave out 3 combs. And see the items for reorder. Same report we looked at. Balance in stock, the items you have in stock. You have shampoo. The balance in stock is 29, minimum level 40. See there is need to reorder here. And then the combs, small size, you can see balance of 22 because you received 25 and you issued 3. You can see balance of 5. So in short, this is how the application works, but you can go ahead and explore it, try it out, see how it brings out the information, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also like my video and get back to me in case you have any inquiries about this application. Thank you very much.